Hello, everybody. Today we have with us Professor Mohit Gupta. Mohit Gupta is the Assistant Professor of School of Maritime Law, Policy and Administration at Gujarat Maritime University. Welcome to the College Dunia portal, sir.
Thank you.
So, sir, beginning with the interview, my first question to you is that you have held several positions at educational institutes throughout your professional career. What are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
Okay. Thank you very much. So, education sector has always fascinated me, and my first job was in Symbiosis Law School, Pune. So, I like this field from my graduation when I saw my teachers coming to class, the students giving respect to them, and kind of contribution those people can make by way of their writings impacting policymakers. So this education sector overall is very self-satisfying. So you teach to the students, so they learn, they become role model for other people. So it's like a very smooth. You contribute to a transition, and apart from that, being a teacher also means that you are engaged in research, contributing to new knowledge creation, which will help to deal with the challenges which today's world is facing. So I think all those factors have motivated me to come to this field, and I'm very satisfied by this profession.
Very well said, sir. Moving on, the education systems in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can be an inbound student gain to the students studying here at the university?
Gujarat Maritime University, in particular, I think is different because kind of exposure it gives to the students. For example, our university has arrangement of port visits. So there are very few universities who will be giving this kind of exposure whereby student will be interacting with the port officials. And in our curriculum, there is an externship program where our students go to Rotterdam port. So that also, so they get international level exposure. We organize lectures not only from academicians but from professionals who are in this field, whether they are ship owner, whether they are practicing advocating maritime law, admiralty law. So that I think is something which is very unique with Gujarat Maritime University, that the focus is totally on a practical aspect.
Right, sir. So on that note, my next question is that how does the curriculum of Gujarat Maritime University ensure the best practice of the industry?
Okay. So Gujarat Maritime University, if you see the curriculum, then you will find that all the areas of maritime law have been covered. So starting from jurisdictional issues, maritime labor law, maritime environment law, marine insurance law, law of shipping contract. So we have designed the syllabus in such a manner that each and everything in maritime sector is totally covered by the course structure which we have. And apart from that, also when we organize the guest lectures, then whatever doubts students are having or whatever other areas or interdisciplinary areas, they are also covered from a course structure.
Alright, very well said, sir. My next question to you is what would you like people to know about the university that they might not know?
Gujarat Maritime University is very much, since this area, maritime law, there are very few universities which are offering a specific full-fledged LLM program in maritime law. In abroad, there are few universities, but in India, at least I can say that Gujarat Maritime University is one of the university which has this unique program in LLM. Generally, you see LLM in constitutional law, criminal law, but LLM in maritime law you rarely see. And this field in itself has a lot of scope. This sector, this maritime sector, is growing and government of India also is continuously the policies of government of India, the statement of the policymakers, they show that they want to invest in this sector, maritime sector. For example, Sagarmala project. So a lot of infrastructure is being created. So there is a need for professionals also. So there is a lot of scope in this particular field. So I think those specific points make this university one of the most university which can really contribute to the nation, and also will give students the opportunity to study all those subjects which were earlier ignored.
Absolutely. So, moving to the last part, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth or the aspiring students?
Sure. So I think there should be firm determination, there should be patience, and there should be hard work. So if you are having these three things within yourself, it may be that somebody is more intelligent, somebody is not so much intelligent, but these three things if you are having, I think you will succeed in them.
Very well said, sir. Thank you so much for the interview.
Thank you.
That was Professor Mohit Gupta, Assistant Professor at School of Maritime Law, Policy and Administration of Gujarat Maritime University. Thank you, sir.